examples of the problem set 2 of the chapter quadratic equation. The question number 7 is solve the following quadratic equation. Now here is one equation is given. Student, we have to solve this equation by using factorization method. Second one is completing square method or formula method. Any one of them we have to solve this equation. Now look carefully how to solve it. Its solution is, now I have to write first equation x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon x. Then by cross multiplication we get that x square is equals to x plus 5. Here I have to write by cross multiplication. Student, then transpose to this another side we get that therefore x square minus x minus 5 is equals to 0. Student, we use here formula method, which is the simple one, because we cannot factorize this 5 minus 5, which having addition is minus 1. So we use completing square method or formula method. The simple one is the formula method, so we have to use it formula method. Now, then comparing x square minus, next example is x square minus 3x upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 is equals to 0. Student, first I have to remove this. For removing this, multiply both sides of equation by 10. So its solution is multiplying both sides of equation by 10. We get, when we multiply it, then 10 into x square minus 3x upon 10 into 10 minus 1 upon 10 into 10 is equals to 0 into 10. And right step here. Then this 10 get cancelled. Then remaining is 10x square minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We solve this equation by any one of them, these three formulas, means by factorization method, completing square method or formula method. But this is the simple one. 10 ones are 10. 10 into minus 1 is minus 10. Student, we have to use here formula method. Sorry, factorization method. 10 ones are 10 minus 10 here. Find out the factors of minus 10, which having addition is minus 3. So simple one is 5 to 0. Now here give the sign negative to the bigger number, here is positive. The product is minus 10 and addition of them is minus 3. So I have to split it for middle term. Therefore 10x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Making the group of two number here. 5x take common, here is x minus 1. Sorry, twice x minus 1. When we multiply it, we get that 5 2s are 10 into x square minus 5. Here is plus 1, we take common here. Twice x minus 1 is equals to 0. Student, then write common bracket first. Twice x minus 1. Remaining values in another bracket. 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then all of you know that the property, if the product of two term is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. So that twice x minus 1 is equals to 0 or 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then we transpose this to this another side. Twice x is equals to 1 or 5x is equals to minus 1. Then these two goes to denominator, means that x is equals to 1 upon 2 or x is equals to minus 1 upon 5. Now therefore this is the answer in the solution of the given equation. So that answer in full sentence, answer values, the value x is equals to 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon x is equals to minus 1 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand this? We see the next sub question. Okay, this question third is twice x plus 3 bracket square is equals to 25. Now its solution is, student, we have to first transpose this also, then it is the square of one bracket, so simple one is, or we have to use by solving this equation. I have to take here by solving this equation, twice x plus 3 bracket square is equals to how much? 25. Squaring of this bracket is twice x bracket square plus twice into twice x into 3 plus 3 square is equals to 25. Mean that we use the identity a plus b bracket square. Mean that a square plus twice into a into b plus b square. This 25 as it is. Then square of this is the 4x square. This is 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12x plus 9. This I have to transpose this 25 to this side, convert as minus is equals to 0. Then this becomes 4x square plus 12x. The subtraction is minus 16 is equals to 0. Observe carefully, we have to dividing both sides by. Dividing both sides by 4 we get. Now when we divide it, the equation reduces as x square plus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Student, we use here factorization method. I have to find out the factors of minus 4 such that which having addition is plus 3. Simple factors, 4 ones are 4. Gives the proper sign here. Here is plus sign, so give the bigger number having plus sign and the smaller is minus. The product is minus 4 and addition is plus 3. So split it for middle term. Mean that x square plus 4x minus 1x minus 4 is equals to 0. Then we take common here x in bracket. X plus 4. Here is minus 1 in bracket. X plus 4 is equals to 0. Here is when we multiply minus 1 to this bracket, we get that minus 1x plus minus minus 4. Then take common bracket first. Therefore, x plus 4. Remaining values in another bracket is x minus 1 is equals to how much? 0. Means that x plus 4 is equals to 0 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Means x is equals to minus 4 or x is equals to how much? 1. Therefore, the solution is, in that the roots of the given quadratic equation is minus 4 and 1. Write down the answer in full sentence. Minus 4 and 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Can you understand this? We see the next question. Student, then we see the next question. Students, I have to take here question number 5, the question number 4. In that sub question number 4 and 6 is for your homework. Okay. Now I have to take here question number 5. 5m square plus twice m plus 1 is equals to 0. Then its solution is, student, we have to solve by using formula method. So comparing 5m square plus twice m plus 1 is equals to 0 with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get the values of a is equals to, a is 5, b is 2 and c is equals to how much? 1. Then I have to find here the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to, the value of b is 2 square minus 4 into a is 5 into c is 1. Then 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 into 1 is 20. Sign is minus. Means that b square minus 4ac is equals to subtraction is minus 60. That is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. All of you know that, student. If the value of delta or b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the equation have not real roots. So the answer in full sentence, answer The roots of quadratic, the roots of quadratic equation are not real. Can you understand this? Now here is sub question number 4. Sub question 4 and 6 is for your homework. Okay, you have to solve at home. Then we see the next question, question number 8. The next question is question number 8. Find the value of m if the quadratic equation m minus 12 into bracket square plus twice into m minus 12 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. Here is m minus 12 into x square, not bracket square, plus twice m minus 12x plus 2 is equal to 0 has real and equal root. Real and equal root means that the value of delta means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. We have to use this condition here. Then its solution. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get the value of abc. Here a is, by comparing this, we get that a is m minus 12. The value of b is twice in bracket m minus 12, and the value of c is how much? 2. Now first I will find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Now here is b square minus 4ac. b is twice in bracket m minus 12. Whole bracket square I will take here. Minus 4 into e is m minus 12 into c is 2. Then squaring of this bracket we write such way that 4, 2 square is 4 and this square is m minus 12 bracket square. Then these 2 4s are 8 in bracket m minus 12. Then squaring this bracket we get that 4 into m square minus, means that a minus b bracket square I have directly write here, a square minus 2 into a into b means that 2 into m into 12 means that it becomes 12 to the 24 m. Then b square means plus b square is 12 square is 144. Then multiply this minus 8 we get that minus 8m minus minus plus 12 8s are 96. Then here is take bracket here because this is the square of this one. Then multiply by this 4 we get that 4m square minus 4 into 24 is 96. 24 4s are 96 into m. Then 4 into 144 is 4 4s are 16, carries 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 is 17, carries 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5. Minus 8m plus 96. Student, then this minus 96m and minus 8m becomes 4m square minus, the addition of these two is 104m. Then addition of these two is 6 plus 6 is 12, carries 1. 10 plus 7 is 17, carries 1, means that 670. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. Student, here the equation has real and equal root. Now here the quadratic equation have real and equal root. Therefore, the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to how much? 0. So we have to substitute the value of b square minus 4ac 0 means that is understand this condition. Real and equal roots mean that delta is equals to 0. Means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Then when we look here, we have to divide both sides by dividing both sides by 4 we get. I have to directly write here. When we divide it by 4, we get that m square minus this is 26 m 26 4 is 104. Then divide it by 4, we get that plus 4 1s are 4. Remaining is 2. 27. 4 6 are 26. Carries 3. In that 32. 4 8 is equals to how much? 0. For finding the factors of 168, we use this method. Already we have to discuss about this method. 168. Then it divide by 2. 2 8s are 2 4s are again divide by 2. 2 4s are 2 2s are again divide by 2. 2 2s are 2 1s are then divide by 3. 3 7s are 7 1s are. This is the prime factor of 168. Student, now we have to make the group only two numbers here which having addition is minus 26. Now here if we take here the groups are 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 7 2s are 14. Okay, look here 12 and 14. Then the addition becomes 26. Now we want product here plus, so use the sign both having minus minus. Can you understand this? How to find out it? And split it for middle term. Therefore, m square minus 12m minus 14m plus 168 is equals to 0. Then take common here m in bracket m minus 12 minus here is 14. We take common m minus 12 is equals to 0. When we multiply this minus 14 to this whole bracket, we get that minus 14m minus minus plus 14 into 12, the product is 116. Then take common bracket first and remaining values in another bracket is equals to how much? 0. We know that the property if the product of two terms is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. Therefore, is equals to how much? 0. Therefore, m transpose to this side convert as 12 or m is equals to how much? 14. Now student, out of this 1 is not acceptable because when we have to substitute the value of m is 12 here, look carefully 12, then 12 minus 12 becomes 0, means that if the value of a is 0, in the quadratic equation a is not equals to 0, so that m is equal to 12 is not acceptable, but m is 14. Why? 14 minus 12 is equals to 2, means that 2x square, a value is 2, means that this is acceptable. So that here m is equals to 12 is unacceptable. Because in m minus 12 into x square is equals to 0. In m minus 12 into x square is equals to 0. Then therefore the value of m is equals to how much? 14. Means that the answer in full sentence is answer. Now you have to find out the value of m here. Therefore the value of m is 14. That is, this is the root of the given quadratic equation when the roots are real and equal. Okay, we take the next one question. Now question number 9. The sum of the two roots of a quadratic equation is 5 and sum of their cubes is 35. Find the equation. म्हणजे इथे काय दिले की दोन रूटचे ॲडिशन दिली 5 आणि त्यांच्याच क्यूबची सम दिली 35. Find the equation. Now student, its solution is, for such type of equation we take let alpha and beta be the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, now here the given is that from given condition. The condition is sum of the two roots means that alpha plus beta is equals to how much? 5. Let this is equation number first. Then sum of their cubes means that therefore alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to how much? 35. This is equation number second. Now student, we know that for frame the equation, quadratic equation, we use the formula x square minus addition of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Means that by using this condition, we find out first the product of the roots. How to find out? Look carefully. For this is alpha cube plus beta cube. We know that this is also one identity. Now we have to discuss many times this one is a cube plus b cube. Now by using this, we have to write this equation here. Then this we have to write here alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta. This is the alpha cube plus beta cube means that a plus b, a cube plus b cube, a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. स्टुडंट ही जर सॉल्व जर केली इथे आयडेंटिटी वापरून तर ही दोन्ही पण बाजू काय आहे सेम होती म्हणून ही प्रॉपर्टी आपल्याला यूज करायची या अगोदर एका एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण बघितली होती. सो आय हॅव टू टेक डायरेक्टली हियर. Substitute the values alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to how much? 35 is equals to alpha plus beta is given here 5 bracket cube minus 3 alpha into beta and this value is also 5. Here I have to write from equation first and second. Student, this value is 35, so 35 as it is equals to the cube of 5 is 125. Then minus 3 5s are 15 into alpha beta. 15 alpha beta. I have to transfer this 15 alpha beta to this side and this 35 to this side. We get that. Therefore, 15 alpha beta is equals to 125 plus 35 convert as minus. Then this convert as plus, this convert as minus. Then 15 alpha beta is equal to subtraction is 0. From this 12 we can subtract 3 is 9 plus 9. Then alpha into beta is equals to 90 upon 15. We know that the 15 table 15 6 9. Alpha into beta is equals to how much? 9. Then the required quadratic equation, the formula for a required quadratic equation is, the equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the root is equals to 0. We substitute the values here. X square minus alpha plus beta is 5 into x plus alpha into beta is 6 is equals to 0. This is our required equation. So write the answer in full sentence. Answer. Find the equation here means that the quadratic equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, we see the next question. Next question, question number 10. Find the quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of the roots and the square of difference of the roots. म्हणजेच त्याचा स्क्वेअरचा पण सम आणि डिफरन्सचा पण काय आला सम ऑफ द इक्वेशन twice x square plus twice p into p plus q into x plus p square plus q square is equals to 0. Student, this is the quadratic equation. This is ax square plus this is the bx plus this is c is equal to 0. So we get comparing it in this solution. Compare solution. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get the value of ABC. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 2 in bracket P plus Q, and C is equals to P square plus Q square. Student, we take here the roots here alpha and beta. So let alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation. Then let alpha and beta are the roots of given equation. Then sum of the roots means that alpha plus beta is equals to, all of you know that the formula, minus b upon a is equals to minus 2 in bracket p plus q upon a is how much? 2. Okay, let this simplify by 2. We get that minus in bracket p plus q. This is suppose that equation number first. Then we have to find out its product, means that alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is c upon a. The value of c is p square plus q square upon how much? 2. We cannot simplify here, so that this is our equation number 7. Can you understand up to this? Okay. Now student, then by using the given condition, the roots of given equation, required equations are available. Find the quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of the roots, means that sum of the roots and its square, means that, and difference of the roots and its square, means let the roots of required equation are the roots of required equations are alpha plus beta, sum of the roots and its square, and alpha minus beta square respectively. Okay, then now we have to again take here the roots of the required equation, means that let alpha and beta be the roots of the required equation. Again alpha and beta, here we take alpha 1 and beta 1. Let alpha 1 and beta 1 be the roots of required quadratic equation. Therefore, then we have to find out, then we write this, then alpha 1 means that this one, alpha 1 is equals to alpha plus beta bracket square, and beta 1 is equals to how much? Alpha minus beta bracket square, because these are the new equations here. Then we have to find out its sum and the product, because we have to use these to frame the new equation. Therefore, sum of the roots means that alpha 1 plus beta 1 is equals to alpha 1 plus beta 1, means that we have to adding these two, means alpha plus beta bracket square plus alpha minus beta bracket square. Now then substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. For this also student, first we have to find out the value of alpha minus beta bracket square by using one identity. Now alpha minus beta bracket square is equals to, this identity is alpha plus beta bracket square minus 4 alpha beta. Look carefully when we are to squaring it and subtract this, we get that alpha minus beta bracket square. Okay. Then I have to substitute the values here. Alpha plus beta is given here. Alpha plus beta is minus, here take here minus in bracket p plus q bracket square minus 4 into alpha beta. We have to take here alpha into beta is p square plus q square upon how much? 2. Upon 2. Here we write the reason from equation first and second. Student, then square of this bracket is equals to minus convert as plus, minus minus plus means here is p plus q bracket square. This we have to simplify by 2, mean that minus, I have to directly take here p square plus q square. Then when we simplify it, we get that the value is equals to, here is p square plus twice pq plus q square minus 2p square minus twice q square. I have to multiply this and by using the identity a plus b bracket square. Then when we subtract here, this is the minus p square plus twice pq minus 1q square. Now I have to take it as minus in bracket p square. Take minus and common here. Minus twice pq plus q square. This is the square of one bracket. Which bracket? Minus in bracket p minus q bracket square. This is the value of alpha minus beta bracket square. Suppose that this is equation number. Now then we substitute this value of alpha plus beta bracket square and alpha minus beta bracket square into this equation. Student, let this equation as suppose that third one is and this one as fourth one is. Then we substitute this value into this equation in that from equation third, first and fourth. Then we write here alpha 1 plus beta 1 is equals to, the value of alpha 1 plus beta 1 is alpha plus beta bracket square. Alpha plus beta is this one bracket square, mean that minus p plus q, here is whole bracket square. Then plus this bracket square already here find, mean that minus in bracket p minus q bracket square. Here reason is that from equation first, third and fourth. Then the squaring of this bracket is equals to, this minus convert as plus because the square, mean that p plus q bracket square. Here is plus minus minus, look carefully, plus minus minus. Then this one is p minus q bracket square. This one is by using identity a plus b, mean that this is a square plus b square, mean that you have to take as a plus b and a minus b also, means a plus b and a minus b. Here is p plus q plus p minus q. Then another bracket is p plus q minus this bracket, mean that minus p plus q. I have to directly write here, look carefully, a square minus b square is a plus b. Another bracket a minus b minus, but I have to directly write here minus p minus plus q. Then this becomes plus q and minus q get cancelled. Here is also minus and this minus plus p and minus p get cancelled. Here is twice p into another bracket is twice q. The product of these two is 4pq. Suppose that this is equation number 5. Mean that this is the value of alpha 1 into alpha 1 plus beta 1 is 4q p. Student, here also you have to use identity also, a plus b bracket square minus a minus b bracket square, and then you have to solve it. You get also this one, or here also I have to use a square minus b square, in that a plus b, a minus b, but I have to directly write here its values. Then for forming new equation, we also find out the product of alpha 1 into beta 1. Mean that the alpha 1 into beta 1 is alpha 1. alpha plus beta bracket square means that alpha plus beta bracket square into beta 1 is alpha minus beta bracket square. Now student, again we have to substitute the value of alpha plus beta bracket square means that this value means here is minus in bracket p plus q bracket square into directly substitute the value of alpha minus beta bracket square. This one is the minus in bracket p minus q bracket square. Can you understand how to substitute here? From equation first and fourth. Then squaring of this bracket is therefore alpha 1 beta 1 is equals to square convert as plus mean that p plus q bracket square. Here is as it is minus in bracket p minus q bracket square. Student, here is both having product here. So this minus sign I have to write here minus in bracket this one is p plus q bracket square, another one is p minus q bracket square. Then in next step I have to write here in bracket this one is the p plus q, another one is p minus q, and this square write as it is because here is the product. So write this square here. Now then this is again identity a plus b, a minus b means that this one is a square means that p square minus q square. A plus b, a minus b is equals to a square, a plus b minus b, a square minus b square, and b square as it is. That is, we write this one is minus p square minus q square bracket square. Suppose that this is the equation number 6. Okay, student, then the required quadratic equation. Then the required quadratic equation is. Now I have to this portion here. We use this portion to solve the remaining example. Then the required equation is x square. The formula for it is x square minus sum of the roots. Here is roots are alpha 1 plus beta 1 into x plus product of the roots means that alpha 1 into beta 1 is equals to 0. Then we put the values here x square minus sum of the roots means that alpha 1 plus beta 1 we have to find here 4pq means that from equation 5 this is 4pq into x plus product of the roots means that alpha 1 into beta 1 is equals to this means that minus p square minus q square bracket square. Here reason is from equation 5th and 6th. Then here is equals to how much? 0. Then we write this equation is x square minus 4pqx plus minus is minus in bracket p square minus q square bracket square is equals to how much? 0. This is our required quadratic equation. So we write the answer in full sentence. Answer. The required quadratic equation is x square minus 4pqx minus in bracket p square minus q square whole square is equals to how much? 0. Student, this is our question number 10. Now we see the next in the remaining questions.